So kumita ako ng almost 200 pesos per day nang walang ginagawa. Hey guys, this is VM and today pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba kayo kikita passively using Ronin Rise app. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Ronin Rise. Let's go!
So, kung naghahanap kayo ng way para makapag-AFK grind 24/7 without even worrying about your electricity cost, ito yung solusyon na may po-provide ko sa inyo. Introducing LD Cloud. Now, LD Cloud is a cloud phone service that would allow you to actually AFK grind your character 24/7, guys. Okay? Which means na hindi nyo na kailangan i-check yan and ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is bilhan ng maraming pots yung characters nyo, especially if you're planning to AFK grind on Seal M and also kay Rohan 2 Global. It can also cater other games, guys, which is yung mga famous games na makikita nyo sa Play Store like Roblox, MapleStory, Nightcrows, Emir, and other games na malalaro sa mobile phone. Now, they currently offer a 50% off if you're a new user. So, mas maganda na i-take advantage nyo to, guys, kasi so far, kung bibili kayo nito, makakatipid kayo ng malaki pagdating sa electricity cost nyo. Now, if you're planning to play on multiple devices, you can always add a device here. And if in any case na merong extra cost, guys, is maliit lang naman yan. So, ano pang iniintayin nyo, guys? I-try nyo na to. Meron silang free trial na ina-offer for just 6 pesos if you sign up to my link. Yun lang, guys, and let's go back to the video.
So, welcome back mga tol. No? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba kayo kikita dito sa Ronin Rise. Now, bago tayo mag-start, gusto ko lang sabihin na this is not a financial advice and hindi rin ako financial advisor. So please make sure that you do your own diligence about making a research on the project before even getting in. Kasi mahirap naman guys na papasok kayo dahil na-hype kayo sa thumbnail or na-hype kayo sa sinasabi ng mga influencers or content creators na katulad ko. Please be responsible with your money guys kasi pinaghirapan nyo yan and at the same time, nothing is a guarantee pagdating sa crypto world. So make sure to talpak responsibly, okay? Your money is your responsibility. Yun lang yung masasabi ko guys. But anyway, nag-reach out din tayo kay Ronin Rise kasi one of our good friends no, nakasama din natin sa barangay which is si Mike Tamago. Ginagawa niya na ng content to and so far nakailang withdrawal na rin siya. So, nag-reach out tayo sa Ronin Rise and luckily they were able to provide us with credits no, dito sa game para at least matry natin yung application nila. Kapalit is yung paggawa ng review. Magiging transparent naman tayo dito guys and bibigay ko yung opinion na dapat nyong marinig, hindi yung opinion na gusto nyo lang marinig. Okay? So tara, simulan na natin to. So first off, ito yung platform nila. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, once you actually sign in here, automatic na kung ano yung name nyo sa Telegram or yung handle nyo sa Telegram, yun yung automatic na mailalagay dito. Okay? Now, if you want to access this bot, all you just need to do is to click the link down below. Okay? Free naman yan. So wala kayong babayaran upon clicking those. So pag click nyo yun guys, mararoute kayo dito sa page na to. Now, in order for you to actually make money in this game, there are actually 2 ways. Number 1 is by idle, which is ito, yung idle guys. Every 24 hours, you will be able to get a specific number of ton depende sa package na pinili nyo. Okay? So, every 24 hours yan guys. So, parang technically, kung naglaro kayo dati ng Farmer's World, parang ganun yung setup niya. 1 click a day, and then you're already good to go. Okay, ganun siya. Now, dito guys, para magkaroon kayo ng earnings per day, which is yung ton, okay, kailangan nyo pumunta sa shop, and ang binibili dito guys is yung experience. Now, for those who doesn't have any money to spend with, I would suggest that you go with this power up, okay? So, ito naman libre, pero once nyo lang ito makiklaim. Now, another package that they do have here are this one. So, ang presyo ng first XP na package na available sa shop is 1 ton, pero makukuha mo dyan is 0.018 ton. So, medyo mababa yan, guys. Okay? Usually, ang recommended is yung 47 ton. But anyway, as you can see here guys, the more na malaki yung binibili nyo na XP, the more ton you can actually get. So sa atin guys, ang binili natin is ito, yung 100 XP para makuha natin yung 1.8 ton a day. Okay? Now, when you scroll down guys, makikita nyo din dito na mayroong gears, which is, I will explain this later on kung para saan tong gears na to. But you can also get these gears, okay, para at least makakuha kayo ng additional power doon sa character nyo. Alright? Anyway, explain ko yan later on. Then PvP naman ito, additional boost naman sa HP nyo or sa strength nyo, sa depth or sa agility. So you can also use this para sa PvP naman kasi meron silang PvP mode dito, which is also related dito sa gear, no, kung bakit kailangan mo ng gear. Then dito naman sa skin, ito technically parang cosmetics lang ng character niya para mas mukhang astig or whatsoever. So I don't really recommend you buying this kasi hindi naman siya essential, wala naman siyang additional earnings kung sakali. Kumbaga skin lang yan. So that's okay kahit hindi nyo nabilin to. Alright? Now, the second way is to actually participate sa PvP. Now, dito sa PvP guys, meron siyang prize pool. And if you actually join this, let's say for example, nag-join kayo dito sa competition na to, which will actually end in just 2 days, no? Makikita nyo dito sa leaderboard na merong mga nagko-compete na players. So, eto si Senji guys, nanalo siya 158 times. Okay, tas natalo lang siya 1 time. Ang nakuha niyang, or ang makukuha niyang ton is around 154. Okay? So, kung nasa top rankings kayo dito guys, matik yan na makakakuha kayo ng malaking ton. Depende sa ranks nyo. Okay, let's say for example, compute natin, no? So ito, nanalo siya, top 1 siya, 145.24. So, 145. So, kikita siya guys sa leaderboard pa lang ng 15,300. So, depende pa rin yan guys sa value ng ton kung mapapansin nyo guys. So, 108 yung pinaka-pick niya last June 7, pero today, ang price niya is around 102. Okay, which is bumaba yung presyo nito. Okay. But anyway, ito yung kikitain niya if in any case man na hindi bumaba yung price or pag tumaas, syempre, mas malaki pa yung pwede niyang kitain. Okay? Ganun nag-work yung rankings dito. So, the more that you actually fight and participate, the more you can actually get ton tokens in this game. Okay? Now, makikita natin dito guys, nandito yung kumpare natin, si Mike Tamago. Ayan, may nauna na kay Mike, no? Pero, nakapasok ka ng top 20, guaranteed that you will be able to get a ton reward. Okay, so ang i-aim ko dito guys, hopefully, is makapasok sa leaderboards para at least makuha natin yung additional tons. Alright? Now, dito naman sa isa, okay, pag pumunta kayo sa home, di ba, pinag-usapan natin kanina guys yung about sa shop, no? Bumili kayo guys ng, let's say for example, XP. So kapag bumili kayo niyan at bumalik kayo sa home, makikita nyo dito that it's claimable here. Okay? Take note, kung bibili kayo ng package dito guys, make sure that you don't claim it right away kasi maghihintay pa kayo ng 24 hours before it will refresh. Alright? So make sure na ganun yung gagawin nyo. Before you claim, you purchase your package first, and then that's the time that you claim para at least counted yung day nyo doon. Hindi na kayo maghihintay ng another 24 hours. Okay? Kasi regardless, kung maklaim mo is yung freebie or yung maklaim nyo is yung spend, matik yun na magka-count agad siya. So, ganun yung gawin nyo guys. Now, the reason why kailangan din or essential din guys yung gears is dahil yan sa leaderboard. So, the more na mataas yung gear mo, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa top 1, no? Check natin yung gear niya. Dito pwede nyo i-view yan eh. So, kung mapapansin nyo, naka-mythic. So, talagang hindi ito matatalo guys. Kasi naka-mythic equipment na to eh. Then, kung mapapansin nyo din, ang taas din ng level niya. So, I think bumili to ng package na mas mataas compared sa binili natin. Siguro, ang binili niyang package dito guys is around ito, yung 200 XP, which is 3.6 ton per day. So, let's say for example, compute natin yung magiging possible income nyo dito guys, no? Let's say ang binili nyo is itong 100 XP. Okay? So, 1.8 ton per day. Multiply natin to by 30 days. So, you have 54 ton sa loob ng 1 month. Okay? 1 month yan guys. So, ang total investment mo is around 90 ton tokens, which tells you that your ROI will definitely be within 2 months. Okay? 2 months yan guys. So, multiply natin to by 2. So, 108. So, technically, on your second month, ang profit mo is around 18 ton tokens. Okay? Now, I think there's also a limit. Okay? Let's say, for example, you were able to buy this one. Kapag, let's say, nakapag-withdraw ka na ng around 200 ton, automatic yan na mag-expire na yung XP mo sa wallet. So, try natin i-withdraw guys, no? Para lang, syempre, matesting natin kung withdrawable pa ba yung mga funds na na-earn dito. So, lagyan natin dito 545 ton, then click natin yung withdraw. So, not enough ton. Dapat meron palang ton balance yung inyong wallet. So, ang ginagamit natin wallet dito is yung Telegram wallet. But this is the earnings that we had for the last 3 days. Okay, kasi tinesting ko muna siya guys bago ko siya ginawa ng content. Alright? Now, ano yung honest opinion natin about the project? Okay, ang honest opinion natin dito guys is syempre, since ito ay Palu Gaming, no, there's still a chance na baka pwedeng mawala siya or pwedeng hindi na natin siya makita next year or next month. So, again, tumalpa kayo responsibly guys. Kung gusto nyong mag-invest dito, it's up to you. Yun lang naman yung lagi nating paalala kasi mahirap na rin guys na we base our decisions on the past results. Again, there's no guarantee. Ilang naman yung lagi nating pinapaalala sa inyo. But if you wanted to take the risk, then andyan yung link ko sa baba. Kayo na bahala, guys. Anyway, thank you so much again for your time. This is BM again, and alam nyo na, peace out.